people get to retirement age, the biggest fear they face is running out of money.
The last thing that I want to worry about during retirement is having a major downturn in the stock market.
5 or 10 years ago, a lot of the insurance companies came out with sort of pension type of plans, but generally when you took one of those and created your fixed income or your income for life, you got the same amount of money the rest of your life.
Because of 2008, what's been exciting out there is the fact that you now have the opportunity to have something that will protect your assets prior to retirement and even in retirement.
What excited me about this was that not only could you grow your money the last few years before you retired without having to risk taking a big whack right before you retired, but once you created the guaranteed income, not only did you get more income to start with, but the income could actually grow.
These companies guarantee it for the remainder of not only your life, but even your spouse, for an example. So you're basically creating your own pension plan.
They started with $100,000 and they left it in there for 10 years and they never had losses. Then if you have a few good years, a few bad years, and you're not losing in the bad years, you could easily have $200,000 in 10 years. If we were starting the guaranteed portion at that point and it was 7%, they would be starting with $14,000 a year. Most of the other programs we had seen, that figure was 4%.
What's great about when the market increases, for example, by a percentage of, let's say, 20%, in the new products today, you are able to capture around 80% of those gains. On the other hand, if the market was to go down by that same amount, 20%, you take no losses whatsoever. The new ones are dealing with your cash money. They give you the opportunity, again, for growth in retirement for my income with guarantees in place that I can never receive less than what I started with.
What we're talking about currently is for someone that is probably 4 to 5 years from retirement, right up until retiring in the next year. Most people come in with the fear of, I don't know what I'm going to do, and I don't know if there's an outcome that I could have that I'd be happy with. And all of a sudden it's like, well, why would I not do this? This makes me pretty happy.
We've been doing this for over 30 years, and we've seen a lot of companies come and go. So we understand the difference between what makes companies succeed in providing these guaranteed incomes well into the future.